Today we're looking at a 2008 Honda Accord EXL. Alright, it's the two-door coupe. It's got 100,000 miles on it. Alright, it's white orchid pearl in color. Alright, got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the nice chrome door handles. It is equipped with the sunroof. Kind of got the ground effects kit running along the bottom of the car here. Driver's side's in really good shape. Does have the deck lid spoiler on there, dual exhaust. It's got the V6 motor in it. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape. 100,000 miles on this Accord. Exterior looks really good. Alright, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black and ivory door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have the black carpet in here, but the ivory leather seats. It is a power driver's seat. Just a little bit of wear right here on the seat. Right, other than that, it's in really good shape. It does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, just a little bit of a wrinkle right here on the center console. Got your little change tray right here. Does have auxiliary and power outlet in there. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. All right, no problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your heated seats down right here. The buttons right here. CD 6, all right, 6-disc CD changer. Dual climate controls. Gonna have your radio display right there, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, and sunroof. I'll go ahead and get you a shot of that. There you go. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 100,374 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display here. Alright, got your temperatures for your dual climate controls, radio station, clock. And then here's your climate control area here. All right. And once again, it's got the CD6, dual climate controls. Okay. AC is blowing nice and cold, no problems with the air conditioner at all. Heated seats, okay. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Let's see, let me go ahead and pull this key out. And it is a two-door coupe, so you simply pull this up here, access to the back seat. Back seat leather's in good shape. Alright, no issues at all back there. Go ahead and check out the trunk space. Well, if I could pop the trunk, let's see. So pull this here, there we go. Alright, it's got the nice protector mat back here. Got your spare tire underneath. All right, but as you can see, ton of room in the back of this Accord. All right, carpet back there's in good shape. Let me go ahead and give you another shot of the passenger seat over here. So as you can see, everything here looks really, really good. And then also, to access the back, simply pull that up. The seat will slide up, make it a lot easier to get back here in the back. Once again, the back seat back here is in good shape. Door panels look good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 18-inch chrome. All right, it's real chrome, not the caps. Tires are in fantastic shape. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, we got a 2008 Honda Accord EXL two-door coupe, 100,000 miles on it. Things in really, really good shape, inside and out. Clean Carfax, one owner. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.